This is a tweener video. This is in between the back to basics. This is what I'm doing to get the garage ready so I can do more work on my layout. So, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And sometimes you got to do a lot of work not involved in building your model railroad just to get it ready. And this is the tweener in-between video of me working on the garage or the laundry room, as you can see back here. There used to be a countertop and a sink back there and a couple of cabinets up on top, like right there and right here, that are on the floor right now. That piece of plywood's coming out, and I'm going to be painting the wall and then putting up some studs after that once the paint dries. Here's my story. That was the countertop and the sink back there. That's what I got out of here today. I cleared out everything that was on top of it, the shelves above it, everything underneath it, moved it out of the way, and got that thing down. Now all I have to do is disassemble it. I want to cut it where the sink is. That'll give me a 5-foot piece of countertop. My module is filled up with tools and stuff. That's the workbench and everything that was underneath it and on top of it and around it. And that's where it is right now. And yesterday I put all the insulation up in the attic. Now I just placed it up there. I didn't put it up there permanently. I just put it up there so I could have it out of the way for right now, so I could get this done right there. And I am glad I got that out of the way. Now there's the sink. It's a little 18-inch sink. It's going to go right next to the water heater, right over there where the dryer's sitting right now. Everything's going to be moved over about 20 inches, and then once I paint it, we're going to look for some more cabinets, different cabinets than those right there. Those are kind of small. You know, I'm buying cabinets for my studio, you know, the base cabinets, and I want to get the top cabinets for in here, and we still need the cabinets. We need to we still need to redo the kitchen, but that's going to be a major problem because I gotta move the refrigerator and put the refrigerator on this wall right here. And tomorrow I'm going to be working outside digging up some roots, and then I'll be trying to disassemble that, cut that up, get all the nails and all the screws out of the lumber so I could save it, because I'm not throwing it out, and start painting the walls. I got to get that one piece of plywood out of there. That's going to give me another piece of plywood to work with, and then we'll go from there. Maybe I'll take the cabinets down and paint the whole wall, and then I could start working on the electrical part. So that's the plan. I finally got the sink out. There is no more sink. There is no more countertop. There is no more cabinets up on the wall, like right there and right there. Okay, there's the cabinets right there. There's what's left of the countertop. I cut it off right where the sink was. Actually, it was down on that end right there. And I was thinking about saving it, but it's kind of old. It's probably more than 20 years old, and when I was taking it apart, I was taking the brads off the back, and it started crumbling over here. So this is pretty old. I don't know. I might keep it, I might not. But I've been measuring things out here to see where the washer would go. You can see I have the washer right there. The dryer is going to go right here, and the laundry tub is going to go over on the edge. And we went to Home Depot and Lowe's today to price out some new cabinets. We looked at some 36-inch ones, 30-inch ones, and I have that marked out for a 36-inch right there. It would be from right there to right there. That would be one of them. And from this conduit right here up to that pipe on the hot water heater. So that would be two of them. Take it all the way to the ceiling, and they would come down this far right there. I got to take this out yet. Clean up the walls and start painting. So that's what I'm going to be doing after I'm filming this, is starting to paint everything. I got to put the primer up, and then to put the coat up. Where you see the white over here already is where at the end of a painting session, that's where I cleaned off the roller and the paint brushes. So that's the remnants of cleaning the roller off. But got the cabinets out. Here's the old sink right there. And this is the module. I got all my stuff on top of it, including 18 1x2s right here. We picked up at Lowe's for $3.06 a piece. Home Depot only had one stick. So there's the old cabinets right there. This is what I'm going to be doing, working on that stuff. Here is all the stuff that I moved. It's down this end now. We bought a bunch of plants for outside that give us some color, so that's what I'll be doing in the morning, digging some holes and planting them. But while I'm doing that, Debbie's going to be working on her bench right here. Once I get all that finished over there, we'll be able to store it back, and you can see I got some lumber up on the top here. Oh, by the way, there's the module right there. It's filled up with junk, and right over here is my workbench. Well, let's take this plywood off the wall right there. It shouldn't be too hard because it's just in there with nails. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more nails in there. I'll just want 8 more nails in there. We'll have to drive them out. Get these out. Nope. Gonna have to break them all out now. Finally got the wall finished. I got it primed all the way back. I just had enough. I had about a half a gallon left, and so I got everything all the way back, even down even the screwdriver that was holding the drain pipe out. And I got as far down behind the water heater as I could, but I got everything. And so now all I got to do is put the white paint on there. But that's another day because it's almost 20 after 9. And I've been working on that for a couple of hours, painting that. Getting in all the crooks and crannies and crevices and all that good stuff there. So, until the next time, we'll see ya.